Yes. Students, uh, good afternoon, students. Am I audible to everyone?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Yes.
Yes,
afternoon,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very, very good afternoon. Thank you very much, students. And I hope my screen is also visible to everyone.
Yes.
Yes. Chelsea,
Yes.
can you read
Yes.
what is there on the screen?
Tour of Eiffel Tower.
Tour of Eiffel Tower. Anybody has actually went there, have observed Eiffel Tower? Anybody? Where is Eiffel Tower? Sabina, where is Eiffel Tower?
France.
In the
France.
in the front. Okay, very
London.
good. And what's the city name?
Paris.
Paris.
Very good, very good.
Paris.
So now we are going to have a virtual tour there. But before we move on to the virtual tour, students, can you tell me the shape of the Eiffel Tower? Like if I view from the front view, what would be the shape of an Eiffel Tower?
Ma'am, it is triangle.
Triangular. Yes, very good. So I hope you all remember what we were doing in the last class. Do you all remember what we were doing in the last class related to triangles?
Construction of triangle.
Very good, Pavitra. Construction of triangle. Let's have a tour now. Okay. If you want, if even you all want to have the same tour, students, you can download this app called as Google Arts and Cultures. We can have a 3D view of like the actual tour view of this Eiffel Tower. I I hope you all can see the way Eiffel Tower is there. This green lawn. Is it visible, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Moving here, people are there around you. Can you see the way I am
No,
moving
ma'am.
it? People are there. No, wait
It
a
is not
minute. Wait.
moving.
Just a minute. I'll connect it once again. Is it visible now, students? Just give me some time. And yes, now you can see the way I am moving the
Yes,
cursor.
ma'am.
There are people in this green lawn. They are moving to the Eiffel Tower. Here, yes, and then the triangular
Yes,
shape,
ma'am.
as Haley said. Isn't it interesting, students, moving actually in in and around Eiffel Tower? See, if I move inside the Eiffel Tower, is if I am at the levels, you can see the entire city from here. The city is visible to us. Can you see, students? You are there with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Very good, very good. So make sure you download this Google Arts and Culture so you will understand how exactly this triangular monument can be viewed from in and out. First image was the Eiffel Tower from the green lawn from the outside. This is the view as you enter the Eiffel Tower on the first and the second level. You can observe the entire city. So this is one of the triangular monument or triangular structure. Any other triangular structure you have went through, you can give example of any other triangular. Yes, Nahida, you have raised your hand.
Pyramid.
Pyramid, very good. Pyramids are in Sharmila, where are pyramids?
Egypt.
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 Egypt. Very good. We are also going to look after the pyramids as well, students. So these are the triangular monuments.
Ma'am, even electricity towers are in triangular shape.
Yes, very good. Electric towers which are there even in our cities, or even these internet towers which are there, Airtel and the other service provider, even their towers are network providers have their towers in the triangular shape. So all these things are there. Then you can see this view, the height and everything is being given of all the monuments, all the rectangular buildings, triangular monuments. Can you see? Do make sure if you want to have a clear view now, students, do make sure that you go onto this app and try this 3D view. I'll also provide you with the link of this. So this is how our Eiffel Tower looks and how you can move inside and out of this tower. Is it clear, students?
Yes, ma'am.
So I will continue with the topic as well. We were going through construction. Okay, so students, I have also provided you with the links for the self-study. You want me to provide it once again here? These are the links. You can take it up as copy. I have also provided individual links to you in the WhatsApp group. These are all the links here, students. And there are these individual links as well. For Anup is there in the classroom. Anup, you are there. Anup is not there, Haley.
No, no, ma'am, he's not there.
Fine. I am putting down all the links, students. Accordingly, go one by one, observe these constructions, and I'll give you the instructions as well, what has to be done with it. Okay. For Felsi, then we have Haley. The same link have been provided to you on the WhatsApp also. You can go through these links till I'm providing it to everyone, and then we'll go ahead. Pavitra. Then we have Sabina.
Ma'am, what do you have to do in this?
Yes, yes. Let me complete the links with everyone, and I'll give you the instructions what has to be done. Everyone has got the link, students. All the students have been completed. Anybody is left? I think Nahida is left. Yes. Just check whether everyone has got the links. Haley, Felsi, Sharmila, Nahida,
Yes.
Pavitra, Sabina. Very good. Now I'll
Yes,
tell you,
ma'am.
listen to me very carefully, and then we'll go ahead. Okay. So what you have to do is you have to go on to that link, students. In the link, you have to actually hold your phone in the landscape mode. Rotate your phone, you will be able to see the construction. First thing is observe that entire construction by yourself, understand it. Understanding is important. It is similar to the one we did in the last one session of construction. It is very similar. Do it, observe it, understand it, and then you have to record your voice into it like how I have instructed. I have also shared a video with you. You have to add up the voice in that. And now it is 1:20 exactly after 1. I'm sorry. Exactly at 1:30 students, you all can come back and then we'll randomly select one student to share their particular video on screen. Okay? Is the instruction understood?
Ma'am, what if we are doing it from the laptop?
No problem. You can even record your voice, but then you have to use an extension, Haley, for that. It would be better if you do it from your phone so that you will be able to record the screen. If you have that Vimeo extension, should I show you how to install
No,
it?
I'll try doing it from the phone.
Okay. Try once. If it is still not possible, I am there to help you. Okay. Is the instruction clear to other students as well? Nahida,
Yes,
Felsi,
ma'am.
Sharmila, Pavitra? Yes.
Yes,
Go
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
start immediately, students.
Okay, first we have to construct a isosceles right angle triangle ABC where the measures of the angle AC and B is 90 degrees and AC is 6 centimeters. So the rough figure which has been drawn with AC and B. Now we have to mark the point C on the paper. When with the help of the ruler we have to draw a line which is about 6 centimeters in length and name the end point which is A. So with the help of the protractor, place the center of the protractor in the point C and draw and point it at a 90 degree. Mark the 90-degree angle point. Then with the help of the ruler extend the line beyond which is the point which has been marked. Then you take a Then you take the rounder, measure the 6 centimeters in length, point it at the center C, and draw an arc on the line. And then which is the arc which has been drawn, we have to name it as B, and then joint A and B together. So it includes that A, B, and C is which is the required right angle triangle. So the question is, construct the right angle triangle PQR where M angle meets 90 degree, QR is 8 centimeter, and PR is 10 centimeter. So there is a rough diagram. Mark A, point Q. So we'll mark a point Q, draw a line segment of length 8 centimeter as given in question. Then after that we'll mark the end point, that is R, with the help of a protractor, that will be an angle of 90 degree. We'll extend the line towards the angle line. Then we'll mark a point P with the help of drawing an arc from R, that is 10 centimeter from R, and where the point meets we'll draw a line PR. PQR is the required triangle. Check the angle once it is made at Q. Then check the angle that is made at R. Check the angle made at P.
Mark a point D. Draw a line segment of the length 5 centimeter. Mark the end point as E. Mark an angle 90 degrees at point D. Extend the angle line as center and the 3 centimeter. Let the arc meet the angle line ATF. Joint F and E.
We have to construct a triangle ABC with BC is 7.5 and AC is 5 centimeter. Measure the angle that C is 60 degree. First, we will make a rough diagram by drawing through the pencil with the ABC point and make a triangle and write the measurement which is given uh, on the question. Then we have to take a ruler and then we have to draw one line which is called BC, which is how much centimeter? Just a minute. BC is 7.5 centimeter. Then we have to take a protractor and make an angle of 60 from C point, and then extend a line to make a arm of the angle. Then write the measurement of angle, that it is then make a arc through the through the rounder, which is 5 centimeter on the AC. So we'll get the one point through which we have to connect the point A and B. So you can see there is a triangle constructed through protractor and by making a arc. So can you see the screen properly now?
First, make a rough diagram of the triangle ABC. Mark a point A and draw a line segment of length 5.8 centimeter and mark the end point as the B. Measure the angle of 60 degree and point and extend the line from the point A. Measure an angle of 30 degree from the point B and extend the line towards the line A. And mark the point as the C. ABC is the required triangle. Now measure every angle of the triangle and mark it.
Come back on the screen. It is already 128 students. Come back on the screen. Very good. Haley is there on my screen. What about the others? Sharmila is there. Nahida, Felsi, Pavitra, Sabina. Yes, very good. I hope you all have understood what was there in the video. Can anyone tell me what was the given quantity in the question? Everyone has got the similar type question, but the numbers were different. The naming was different, but the type was just the same. Yes, Nahida, tell me.
We are asking about measurement.
No, no, not the measurement. I am asking you
Right
about
angle triangle.
what was given, the given values. What were given values? Like they
Ma'am,
were.
Base
angle of
value.
60 angle we have to make, and
I'll give one example. Like in the last lecture, for constructing a triangle, three sides were given. In the second part,
Two
three
angle
two
and
sides.
one side.
Very good. So everyone now in this session got two angle and one side. That one side was as the
The base.
one side was the base, and the two angles which were been given were called as
Sides.
the two angles
The
are called as
vertices.
sides. The vertices or the base angles, right? So first you draw the base and then you draw the two base angles. Okay, let's take one student randomly and then we'll play the video for them, for the others, and you'll have to construct it in your book. This time you have just recorded, right, till here. Now you have to also construct it. Okay, let's let the wheel decide. Is it visible, students, to you? Is my screen visible? Haley, Nahida, Pavitra? Yes, very good. Fine. So I'll spin the wheel, and if it lands up at Anup or okay, it has landed up on Anup itself, but Anup is not there, right? So we'll have to play it once again. Yes. Pavitra, it has landed up to your video. Let's see what Pavitra has recorded. Just a minute, Pavitra. It's getting loaded. Students, just a minute. wait. We'll come here, share this tab, and Pavitra, you are there with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain this? Since your video is getting loaded, can you explain this construction for everyone? And everyone has to perform this, right? In their notebooks. I'm sharing the screen. Just give me a second. Pavitra, I hope you are ready. Yes, Pavitra, you are ready? Shall I share the screen for you?
Yes, ma'am.
So, here is your construction. Go ahead. Read the same way how you have explained in your video. I hope my screen is visible, students, to you all.
No, ma'am.
Okay, just a minute. Maybe I'm facing a little bit of network issue. Share now. And yes, it's the same one, Pavitra, what I have shared with you. Pavitra?
Yes, ma'am. The link is different, which you have shared in the meet.
Mm-hmm. It might happen, but you have given your voice to the same video, to the same this, which I have
Yes,
shared
ma'am.
right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, yes. Go ahead, explain what you have understood, and I'll play it for you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Others, you'll have to follow the same procedure what Pavitra is explaining, and then show it your construction on the screen. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavitra, shall I begin? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Question is construct triangle ABC given measure of angle A equal to 60 degree, measure of angle 30 degree, and AB is 5.8 centimeters. So we have to first draw a rough sketch triangle ABC. Then we have to mark a point A and give a baseline of centimeter 5.8 centimeter, which we have to mark AB as a line AB, segment AB.
Great, Pavitra. Others, you'll have marked this AB segment. Others, you'll have marked Haley, Sharmila, Nahida.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
You have
good.
to draw it in a
Again, this
notebook,
AB
no?
value is. Ha. Yes, yes, Sabina.
You have to draw it in a notebook, right?
Yes, yes, Sabina, you have to share it on the screen after drawing. So start drawing in the notebook. Value of AB is 5.8. So as you all are done, we'll move towards the next step. I'll play it once again, and then Pavitra, after
Yes,
everyone is
ma'am.
done, then you can continue. Wait, let others also get completed with. Raise your hand as you all are done, students.
Take the protractor and measure an angle of 60 degree from the point A.
Pavitra, yes, yes. Wait for some time. Let everyone complete till here and then we'll go ahead. Others
Okay,
are
ma'am.
done. Sorry to interrupt you,
Yes,
but
ma'am.
are others done? Chelsea, Sabina, Sharmila?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Pavitra.
Degree we
Yes,
have to
Pavitra,
take.
go ahead.
Now take a
Yes, Sabina.
protract.
Sabina, you have any doubt?
60 degree you have to take a protractor, no?
Yes, yes, very good. Yes. Pavitra, go ahead. Sabina, yes, you have to follow the same thing. Right.
Yes, ma'am. Now take a protractor and measure an angle of 60 degree from the point A and extend the line from the point A to the mark.
Yes. And Nahida, what would be from angle B? What would be from point B?
30 degree angle we have to do.
30 degree. Very good. Complete till your 60 and 30 degree. 60 and 30 degree.
Ma'am, should I continue?
Yes, yes, Pavitra.
Yes. So after that, make an angle of 30 degree from the point B and extend the line towards the A line A. And the point which is meeting is mentioned it as C. Then your required triangle ABC is right.
Very good, Pavitra. Very good. Explanation was on point. Point. You haven't read what was there, but you have actually understood what was being done, and then you have explained. Very good. Others, similar kind of questions were given to you. I hope everyone has understood. Anyone has any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
till here for construction? You all have completed this part. You all have completed the construction.
Yes, ma'am.
Very. Now there's only one question which I have is how now there was only two things which were given 60 degree and 30 degree. From where this 90 degree came into picture, students? From where this 90 degree came into picture?
Angle B.
Anyone knows?
Angle
Yes,
B.
Sabina?
Angle B.
No, no. I am talking about Sabina. Angle B is 30 degree. Angle A is 60 degree.
Angle
How
C.
do we
C.
got this
Angle
angle
Ma'am,
C.
can
C?
it be 60 plus 30 degree makes 90 degree?
60 plus 30 is 90. Then
Supplementary angle.
supplementary angle. Is it? Is it? Sharmila, you want to add anything? Sabina, how do we got this 90?
We keep the protector on the angle C.
This can one be the case by observing or by measuring, but still by algebraic method can we get the angle C? Is there any rule? Is there any set rule for interior angles that we have studied in our last grade?
Yes, ma'am. Interior angle, sum of all the interior angle is equal to 180 degree.
Very good, Pavitra. You need to remember all these only then you'll be able to get to the third angle, which is 90 degree. So the sum of two angles was 60 and because they might ask you the same question 60 plus 30 plus the angle C which is equal to 180 degree. All these are degrees. So when this 90 goes from right hand side to left hand side to right hand side, you will get 180 minus 90 which is equal to 90. Is it clear, students, to everyone? Because this can be an add-on question for you. Oh, the calculation isn't visible. Is the calculation visible, students? Are you clear with
Yes.
this calculation?
Yes.
Very good. Fine. Just to collab this entire topic of triangle, students, as you all said, pyramid are also triangular. Yes, correct? Students, pyramids, as you all
Yes,
said, are
ma'am.
also
Yes.
triangulars, right? Again, moving back to Google Arts and Culture, now there are 5 pyramids around the world which are triangular, which are not only in Egypt but even out of Egypt in the other deserted area. Again, to get the view of this, you can view the same thing in Google Art and Culture, and you can have an amazing view of these triangular monuments. Can you see? This is one which is in the Egypt, and it is in the deserted region, right? Fine. Will you observe this for me? And in the next class, we'll discuss about this. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Percy, Sabina, very good. I'll provide both the links of Google Arts and Culture. Make sure you observe these triangular monuments, how they have been built, where are they situated, and more on these triangular monuments which are around the globe. Clear? This is in Sudan. Then we have the next in Italy and Mexico. There are total as of five monuments, five triangular monuments, five triangular pyramids around the globe. Okay. So this is a homework. Observe these two links. I'll be providing these two links in the WhatsApp group. Do observe them, understand them, how these triangular monuments are, and then we are going to discuss in the next class. Fine? Students, shall we stop here then? Have you all understood what is being taught today?
Yes, ma'am.
Very, very good, students. Thank you very much. See you in the next class. Keep learning. Yes, ma'am, I am done.
Yes. Yeah, Aishwarya, it was a good try, something different. When you told me that I'll try, I said, okay, try, no problem. They were able to do it well, I think, we'll see and all that. So this is something first time somebody has tried. So very good. Aishwarya, she tries new things. She's able to, bring because she's an expert in ICT. So that is, which makes she's very comfortable by using that. So we all should take that. Each one is having some asset. So we must take that from her and try to learn and try to incorporate in some way or the other. Even it is not like that. तुम्हारा English lesson है, so you will think that अरे क्या ऐश्वर्या, you can ask her anything I can do or what, do you know some app or do you know something? So please help each other and do. So it was a nice thing, uh, which we this. But yes, when you try out these things, sometimes slow learners and all have a little challenge. They don't understand. So you might not get success all the time. So that time you should use cooperative learning, especially STAD. STAD करके cooperative learning technique है, where you have people in groups. So who are weaker ones, clever ones, average ones, if they do together, so what happens? They help each other in doing such activities. So it was a nice thing.